श्रीमन्महाभारतमु 355th डे। ओम अस्मद्गुरुभ्यो नमः। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्। In Srimad Mahabharatam Adiparvam 216th chapter, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Srimad Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja, that Apsaras are telling the story to Arjuna, saying like this, O Arjuna, we 5 Apsarasas were given curse by one of those Brahmanas to become crocodiles. So after that, we started getting so much shaken, and also we realized our mistake. We surrendered to that Brahmana, saying that, O Brahmana, Rupena Vayasa Chaiva Kandarpena Chadarpitaha. Because of the beautiness, because of the youngness, and because of arrogance, we behaved so badly with you. Please forgive us. O Tapodhana Brahmana, your shapam, your curse is equal to death for us. Please forgive us. And it is said, those who are very righteous, they will not kill ladies, they will not kill women. Now your curse is equal to death. Please do not punish us like that. And also I heard Brahmanas are very much compassionate and they will be very friendly with all entities. And Brahmanas, when somebody surrenders to them, they will definitely protect them. Please protect 5 of us. Like that, we all prayed to that Brahmana. Then Brahmana, he considered our prayers. He said to us like this, Satam Satasahasrantu Sarvam Akshayavachakam. Oh my dear Apsarasas, when I said Satam, that means in this world, Satam Satasahasram always used to denote it is infinite. But here when I said Satam, it is not infinite to you, but it is only 100 years. So you will be in this crocodile forms for 100 years. You will be pulling all those who are taking bath in these tirthas, and you will start eating them. While going on like this, one person comes who is such a great person. He will bring you out. Then you all will take your original forms. And I am not telling you lie at all. Even for humor's sake, I would not lie. Like that, Brahmana gave us a relief. And then, ever since then, nobody started taking any bath in these tirthas. So these 5 tirthas, ever since then, these 5 tirthas named after Nari Tirthas. Like that Apsarasa told to Arjuna. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Srimad Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana 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 Sriman Narayana Narayana Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.